Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Buds, and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the alarm icon. Looks like this. Once you find it, tap on it. And here, if you want to set the alarm clock, simply tap on Add Alarm. Set the time on which the alarm should go off by swiping up and down on the hours. Then tap on the check mark. I meant hours and minutes, of course. We have hours and minutes, so adjust the hours and minutes. And then tap on the check mark. And here we have the repeat option. Basically, you can select the days on which the alarm should repeat. So if you select, for example, Sunday and Monday, the alarm will repeat every Monday and Sunday. If you uncheck all of the days, it will only go off once and it won't repeat. So adjust this to your liking, select the days you want, then tap on OK. And here we have our alarm. We can turn it on or off. We can have multiple alarms. So we can, for example, make a new one like that. And we can edit the alarms by tapping on them and changing some values. Like this. And we can remove the alarms by tapping on them, tapping on delete, tapping on the check mark. Like this. And once you're done setting up your alarms, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.